You already know. We roll.
Amir and Layla, any new discoveries?
Not too far from here.
It's Mechanical Puffer Zero.
My paw is here! My paw is here!
Layla, does your hatred for the Morden army have anything to do with your father?
During the first war against Morden, the Morden army seized our village. I got separated from my paw and we've lost touch ever since. Many scientific researchers were taken by the Morden army at that time.
You roamed all over the country, investigating stations of the Morden army for information about your father's whereabouts?
So many years passed and I found nothing. I never thought he might be here.
Both your father and you are closely linked with the pyramid. You are destined to reunite here.
Uncle, you are so right.
Come on, go ahead to look for your old man.
Mission start.
so sorry.
Mission complete.
Bye.